Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all of my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. And I am just popping on to share with y'all some happy mail that I received over the last couple of days. We have been wrapping up the school year with a whole bunch of testing. So I have not actually opened up any of this, and I also was busy sending out packages and stuff like that. So, but without further ado, let me just hop on in here and share with you what came in the mail this week. So this one is from a good friend, Roberta. She's one of our family members here on the channel. And I believe that, let me see. I don't really even know what's in here. So, but I don't want to show y'all the address. Okay. Oh, okay. So, oh my goodness, whatever it is, it's beautiful. I don't want to harm it, so let me just try and act like I have some home training, you know? Oh, let me just slide that out the way. Oh, look. Oh, look at this card. Let me make sure I'm open. It opens on this side. It does. It's a Mother's Day card. It says, Mother, be your own kind of beautiful. Fam, enjoy your Mother's Day. I was able to complete my self-imposed task of Mother's Day cards. XNO, Roberta. Thanks for the inspiration. Oh, how beautiful it is. Move that stuff out the way. Look, so we've got some foam flowers there. We've got the pearl, like, I don't even know what that design is called. It's like a, you know. And then we have this beautiful teal and soft pink background here. I'm sorry, I'm slightly distracted because Xfinity's outside. Anyways, and then we've got these beautiful resin roses. How gorgeous is that? And then the doily and the ribbon. I think they call it grosgrain. I don't know how you pronounce it, but thank you so much, Roberta. I love it. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous, and I will put it matches my craft space, so I definitely will put this up. And this is the first and only handmade Mother's Day card I've gotten this year, so I truly do appreciate it, and thank you so much for taking time out of your day to pop that in the mail, create that, and for letting me know that you were inspired by whatever video the latest video I put up. Okay, and then next up, oh, it's so pretty, it looks so good right there on my desk, is, I believe this is a book that came from, this is from Roberta as well, that's right. So now this came at a different time. One came last week, the end of last week, and one came this week. And I was talking about in one of my videos, or probably in the Maker Exchange, the Facebook group, the might have been on a video, I'm not sure, adding to my summer reading, and she mentioned one of the books that she had just completed. And I was like, well, I definitely got to run out and get that because I got to have a hard copy. Some books I don't mind reading in audio version, but other books I want to have for my bookshelf, for my library. And I have no intentions of, lending them out and things like that. But apparently, Roberta had no problem with sharing the beautiful Becoming book with me, and I am so excited to get started reading this summer. It will be the first book that I read. Now, some audiobooks I listen to, some books I read ebook, and those are ones that I purely for entertainment purposes. They don't really hold much sentimental value or to kill time. But then there are other books that I know that I'm going to glean some form of inspiration or motivation from them. And so hard copies are what I turn to for those. And so thank you so much, Roberta, again, for one, for dropping this book in the mail for me, and two, just being a woman of your word and doing what you said you was going to do, because I probably would have forgot about it as soon as I closed the message up stating that I was going to do it. I try not to do that. I try not to even commit myself to something that isn't important enough for me to remember, because my memory isn't that good. Anyways, plus I like to write stuff down. Nevertheless, anyways, Roberta, thank you so much for this book. And oh, look. So Roberta, and I'm going to put my name and information in there too. And look at this little tag. It says, fam, enjoy this journey. Like creating this autobiography will also open your eyes. Oh, thank you so much. And I'm going to use this as the bookmark. I'm excited to get started on this book, and we've got a few more days left of school. So I will be kicking my feet up after I get finished with my devotional and doing my laundry and things like that for the day. And I will be diving into that in the mornings and in the evenings. Now, this package is from Tammy Price. It is a group that is, well, the group, Facebook group, is hosted by Penny. She has a channel here on YouTube. And the swap is hosted by her as well. And so I think this is the napkin swap, because I only participate. She usually has 5 or 6 swaps going each month, but I can't commit to a whole lot of them. So I try to do just one and keep it moving. So let's see what we got here. All right. Ooh, look at the card with all the butterflies. Isn't that pretty? Okay, dear fam, thank you so much for your patience with me. It's been a crazy few weeks. I've added some papers that are sort of teal and coral. Actually, this isn't the napkin swap. The napkin swap is coming up. I think that this one is, I'll tell you in just a second. I think that this one is either a tag or I can't remember which one this was. What swap this was. Okay, I added some papers that are sort of teal and coral. I'm hoping they can coordinate with your work. If not, maybe you know of someone who can use them. I love how we all swap together. Thanks for the swap, Tammy. Junk Journaling with Penny. Okay, so yes, Tammy, of course I will be able to use it. And I love the striped paper. Looks like it was from a planner of some sort. And of course I'll use it. Can I get my desk together? Oh my word. So we've got that. We've got some embossed card. Teals, because she did ask me what my favorite colors were, and I did say teals and corals. And ooh, look at this paper here. And of course everyone knows that I love butterflies. I've never had this kind of paper. It looks handmade, but it's beautiful. Yes. And so then she's given me a few butterflies, and of course I will make some embellishments from those. And then inside here, oh gosh. Oh, it's artist trading cards. That's what it was. Artist trading cards. Okay. And then this is, oh, this is hers. This is one. Magical. So this is Tammy's. With the stamping in the background. The little butterfly with the wings that are still a little lifted. The pearls. And oh, it's my colors. The teals. The corals. Oh, I love it, Tammy. That's beautiful. Okay, and so she gave me a couple of those for myself. And so then we have this one, What If? Oh, I'm a fan of the imagination. So she stitched along the side. There's some ribbon there. And then she used the, I forgot that tool. But you can, the label maker. And then there's the butterflies there. And there's the one that's raised up a little bit. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me bring this down some. Isn't it? And then she's distressed the edges. So nicely wrapped up so that they wouldn't get damaged in the shipment. Oh, and she gave me some to start off with. Huh. Yeah. And then, Butterfly Wishes. Oh, how adorable. Look at the little dangle. The teal little dangle. All hanging off of the lace trim. How cute is that, Tammy? I absolutely love these artist trading cards. Let me just let them sit here for a minute amongst, well, not amongst the crazy mint, but y'all get what I'm saying. Isn't that beautiful? And that's kind of why I enjoy doing these swaps, because you end up with ideas. And like, I would have never thought to do this with the little jump rings and the butterfly that's got the little hole punch in it and just dangling there for all that little bit of movement. How exciting is that? But so this one is called Butterfly Wishes. This one is A Bit of Magic. And this one is Possibilities. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. So that is what I've got in the mail this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me enjoy what I've received. And for those of you who are new to the channel and have not already clicked the subscribe button, go ahead and do so now. And that way you won't miss any of the upcoming swaps or journal preparations and DIYs and hauls. I don't do a whole lot of hauls, and the ones that I do are clearance and Dollar Tree, you know. And then that's Josh, excited about not having to be in class right now. And that's about how excited I am about my Happy Mail. So anyways, guys, that was it for today. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit that thumbs up button, all right? And until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative, and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel.